This may very well be tomorrow, as we stand facing the consequences of global warming. It has been estimated that all our natural resources will be completely depleted within 150 years. And as such, we need to be in continuous search for viable sources of alternative or renewable energy. It is imperative that we save as much energy as possible. Conserving energy is now a mandate, not a choice. And part of that mandate is the need to go green. Imagine the impact of improving the efficiency of lighting sources by 10%. But what if it could be improved by 90%? Newly enhanced light-emitting diodes, LEDs, have the potential to achieve these efficiency improvements while maintaining high performance and reliability that supersede many currently used sources.
லைட் எல்லாம் போட்டதால வந்து நிறைய பவர் வந்து மீதி ஆகுது. கரண்ட் எலக்ட்ரிசிட்டி பில் வந்து மேக்ஸிமம் ஒரு 75% வந்து குறைஞ்சிருக்கு.
LED lighting generates negligible heat than any other light and so places a smaller heat load on the air conditioner.
The saving in electricity cost by way of using the air conditioner generated by less heating, we are saving more on that part of it.
They also reduce the risk of biometric injuries and have also been able to increase HR productivity in areas where close to work area extensive lighting is required.
I'm a very happy user of a LED light. I use it for my work cabin, where I spend close to 8 to 10 hours. One reason I went in for this is clearly cost efficiency. In the long haul, it has been logically proven to be more cost effective. The other is the even spread of light. I'm very comfortable with the effect. There is no glare and it's pretty natural. And there's also a feel good factor that I'm doing my bit for the planet.
Firstly, these lights are very soothing to the eye and has increased the comfort level of the people working here in the office. Secondly, these consume much lesser electricity compared to the conventional lighting, and I would say that there has been a saving of over 30% in our electricity bills.
Generic room lighting, LED bulbs, front focus lighting, factory high bay and low bay lighting, work table lighting, light frames for signage, backlit solutions, open area lighting, emergency lighting, and more.
I am Jay Seelan, Director Edict Pharmaceuticals. Recently we tried out with the LED lights, and first we made to change our street lamps into LED light. And we understood and we got a big surprise where we were using 20 lamp posts has been reduced into 10 with the LED lights, and watts of 250 watts has been reduced to 36 watts for each lamp, and our appearance is also good with the light fitting, and we really got the benefit.
I think the LED lights are a big boon to professionals like us who have to work under trying circumstances, especially for reading and writing. And LED lights also are great energy savers in view of the skyrocketing prices of electricity charges. And I think they have come to stay. for the future. Further, for the global warming, I think LED lights are great energy savers.
Come, let's together build a greener, cooler and safer planet for our future generations.